Hi, my name is Simon Reganis, and today I'm here to share a little bit about my experience with the Peak Capital Trading Bootcamp that I just completed in April of 2021. First off, honestly speaking, it helped me develop tremendously as a trader. There was two really big key takeaways that I was able to walk away from the bootcamp with. First off, being my trade book, and secondly, trader psychology. From a trade book perspective, I was able to refine and formalize a really detailed trade book document, much more detailed than what I had coming into the bootcamp. Through Mike's weekly recurring trade book webinars, it walked me through the process and made it very easy to backtest my strategies and hold myself accountable to not only my trading plan, but my trading rules as well. The second key takeaway was my trader psychology, helping me develop my discipline as well as my trading emotions in the midst of trading in a monitored, risk-controlled environment with the oversight of my actual trading coaches and of course my team captain as well. So overall, I'd say PCT was an excellent experience. I'd like to thank my coach for Team B, John Hiltzy, as well as the rest of the PCT team for their ongoing mentorship, their assistance in answering all of my questions, as well as all of the time that they dedicated to the webinars and the educational content. I'd highly recommend the PCT Bootcamp to new and aspiring traders that are looking to develop their trade book for the first time or look to formalize and improve their existing trade books. As well as for new experienced traders, I think it'd be a great opportunity to have a platform and an actual landscape to demonstrate your consistency in your P&L in a risk-controlled environment and really put your skills to the test. Thanks.